Hi everyone, it's Deidrian. Thank you so much for joining me for yet another video. Now today I have an amazing feature for you on Happy Cove Estates as well as Ocho Rios Country Club. So go ahead and stick around. So first of all, I'd like to just go ahead and say thank you to everyone that has subscribed and has allowed the channel to reach this milestone of 1,000 subscribers. I truly am grateful for this, but I won't stay too long on this. Let's jump right into this video. So recently we featured virtual tours on both Happy Cove Estates as well as Ocho Rios Country Club, and now we get a full walkthrough tour of these amazing developments. Hey guys, so Happy Cove Estate is set to feature just about 53 units, which is slated for completion early next year, about March 2022. The units will comprise of 2-bedroom, 2-baths, as well as 3-bedroom, 3-baths units. The 2-bedroom, 2-baths will be starting at 30 million, and the 3-bedroom, 3-baths are going for $34 million. Guys, what's a great development without great amenities? And the developers of Happy Cove Estates are pulling out all stops when it comes to the amenities. The development is set to feature just about 53 units, and the amenities include 24-hour gated security, a clubhouse, indoor gym, swimming pool, tennis court, as well as a conference room. Much as we love our neighbors, we still want ample space in between our properties, and Happy Cove Estates is giving us just that. Now just look at the yard space. Okay guys, let's go ahead and check out the inside of the 3-bedroom unit. Now, from the moment you walk inside, you're greeted by the high ceilings. The high ceilings give me this old fresh air vibe, and I love that, as well as the tiles. The tiles just add to this luxurious feeling that you're getting from this development. guys, I don't know if you're seeing what I'm seeing, but have you noticed the square footage of the open concept as well as these bedrooms? They are really to die for. So here we have the two-bedroom, which has a similar high ceilings, large square footage for the open concepts, as well as the bedrooms. So you guys are not being shortchanged on any of these units. Now we're going to take a look at Ocho Rios Country Club. Now there's a lot of buzz around Ocho Rios Country Club. It was actually the number one feature on our upcoming units in St. Anne. You can go ahead and check out that video as well. So we're going to check out one of the one-story unit as well as one of the two-story units. You can get a feel of all the wonderful finishes that is associated with this development, and it is truly value for money. Okay, so the units are starting at just $33.5 million, and you are getting really great value for money. Guys, now it's time to check out the 3-bedroom, 2-story unit. Now this unit is starting at 40 million Jamaican dollars. Guys, so I cannot stress this enough. These units are going extremely fast, but if you really are liking what you see, then you can go ahead and give Paulette Bedward a call. She will go ahead and hold your hand throughout this entire process and ensure that you secure one of these units. So go ahead and give her a call and she will answer all your queries. But as usual, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Continue to stay tuned and have a great day.